Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Bitcoin price this Saturday, as we have a weekly candle that's going to close tomorrow. And so far, it's a very big indecision candle. But we know that the body of last week's candle closed above 41,950. And right now we have price action above 41,950. So far, it looks like we're getting a very nice potential weekly candle close. As long as we don't break 41,950, then we're going to be stuck in this range with a resistance of 44,800. As you guys know, if we get a confirmation above that, we can potentially see 50,000. But if we go into this hourly time frame, a lot of people are talking about this ascending channel that Bitcoin has been following. We actually broke the initial support level from this ascending channel, but now we created another support level, getting back inside of the channel with the midpoint currently acting as a resistance level. Bitcoin could not be more undecided on a Saturday than it is right now, inside of this range of 44,800 and 41,950. But I think we can get a couple of hints as to what's going to happen here based on how volume has been on the hourly chart. A lot of people are saying Bitcoin found a bottom as it came below 40,000, tested that level. We saw a very nice institutional spike of buy pressure come in, and only since then have we seen price action stay above 41,950, right? Well, we have to talk about what happened yesterday. We tested 41,950, and we didn't see too much sell pressure, but we also didn't see the craziest amount of buyers. And so what that tells me, as I've mentioned yesterday, is that 41,950 now is a make it or break it point for Bitcoin. Whether we even get 4-hour confirmations, if we come back to 41,950, we could potentially expect a downside, as I talked about yesterday. But being above this level, now we have the midpoint of this range here, of this ascending channel, right around the $44,000 level, just below 44,800. If we can start seeing some bullishness into the weekly candle close and the new weekly candle opening tomorrow, we just need to start seeing price action above 44,800, and we could potentially call this the bottom. One interesting headline that I saw about Bitcoin today is the Bitcoin outflows from exchanges. You can see here, it says it's rocking crypto exchanges, and this is potentially a bullish sign. You can see in this article, it says over 26,300 Bitcoin was taken out of exchanges on Wednesday. The last time such a huge depletion happened was in September 2021, ushering in a bull market that saw price surge by over 66%. So they're referring to when Bitcoin consolidated down, finding the bottom around that $28,000 level from the initial high that we formed of 64,000. We haven't really seen exchange outflows since September of what we're seeing now, and that was a bottom, and Bitcoin eventually created new all-time highs. Could this be a higher low for us to see further upside? I think that that's exactly what that article is stating, and we know Bitcoin in the past has had these head and shoulder type of patterns in the macro that just don't necessarily play out, and that's exactly what's happening right now. We have this head and shoulder pattern. Is it going to play out or not? 41,950 is the neckline for a reason, so that's going to be that make it or break it point for Bitcoin. But inside of the hourly time frame, I wouldn't say that we're too concerned. A lot of people say that these ascending channel formations are bearish, but that's exactly what we need right now in order for us to see some upside. We need some ascending prices. We need some higher highs forming. We need to see price action for us to get above 44,800, and that's going to be the confirmation that we could be seeing the bottom here. But until that happens, 41,950 is more fragile than ever. Heading into Sunday, it's still the weekend. Markets are also going to be manipulated, so we just want to be cautious of that. And I'm going to do a separate video for some altcoin analysis, because a lot of people that are dollar cost averaging into altcoins right now want me to look at different altcoin charts and stuff. So I'm going to be doing separate videos for those. But just remember here, the 200-day moving average for the total market cap has been acting as a level with the price action gluing onto this area, yet to really free fall away from its 200-day moving average. The total market cap showing more strength than Bitcoin. Could this initiate a massive run for altcoins if we get above the 200-day moving average? I think that that's certainly on the table with the altcoin chart that factors in the coins outside of Ethereum being so bullish inside of this ascending triangle. And then we look at Bitcoin dominance coming down, testing levels below 40% right now as we speak, potentially going to be seeing new lows. And the Ethereum Bitcoin chart staying bullish, maintaining price action above the midpoint of its channel and staying above this market structural support as we talked about yesterday. That's why we're going to be looking at separate altcoins in different videos here in just a second. But I just wanted to wrap up this Bitcoin analysis by saying, as I talked about over the last few days, 41,950 is an important level, and it's more sensitive than ever now with price action already testing this area quite a bit. We need to see price action right now get towards 44,800. The faster, the better, and that could be the confirmation for upside. But until then, 41,950 maintains itself as an extremely important support in the short term. And with that, thank you all for tuning into today's video. I appreciate each and every one of you snipers tuned into the channel. The green screen couldn't be used today because of lighting issues and stuff. I'm still working on the live stream setup, but that'll be done soon. And remember to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Let's hit 100,000 subscribers on the Snipers channel. I can't wait for that. And stay tuned for these altcoin prediction videos as well. Until next time, snipers